People, this is the usgs.gov site. It's the United States government's geological survey, and this is where you can search their database for earthquakes. Now what I've done here is I put in a date range from right around when the database began to be significant, 1973, and all we're going to do is search up to about 2000. Okay, we're going to search for tiny quakes starting at 2.0, which you wouldn't even really feel a 2.0 earthquake, and we're centering 30.3 as the latitude in a circle. That's Austin, Texas, with a latitude of negative 97.7. So if you put in 30.3 and negative 97.7, you're drawing a circle right around Austin. Now we're going to go the inside radius 2 to an outside radius 3. In other words, we're going to draw a 300-mile, or actually it's a kilometer, circle around Austin. Now we'll search. You're going to see there's only 12 earthquakes from 73 to 2000 around Texas. So that's the number right there in the top left. It says there's 12 earthquakes in this region. Now, if we go back to the USGS and all we do is we extend the year search to go from 73 to 2014, current time, we're going to be adding 14 years of earthquakes to the search. So it's over 40 years. The first search was 26 years. Now we're adding another 14. Everything else is the same: latitude, longitude, radius. It's all identical. So all we're doing is increasing the time search to add what's happened recently. Now when we search, it goes from almost none to 120. So 12 to 120. That's the real damage that horizontal fracking has done. And if you look here on the left side, you'll see that almost all these earthquakes have happened recently. They didn't start to 2007 really, and that's when horizontal fracking started in the Texas region. Now we're going to zoom in on this map and show you that these are only quakes right around Texas. So there's the state of Texas. You can see the Eagle Ford Formation has the recent activity, and up here near Dallas, northwest of Dallas, where all the homes are shaking, that's where all these new earthquakes have happened. And this is the zone where horizontal fracking is being done. So you had a seismically stable area. After 2007, when they start doing horizontal fracking, you go from almost no earthquakes to over 100 earthquakes. And it's only going to get worse. This is the impact of horizontal fracking. You cannot deny this information. This is real data right from the USGS, a government site, and no one in the media is really talking about how you find this information. And I don't know how long the USGS is going to keep this public information up where you can actually go in there and see the environmental impact of horizontal fracking. So an area had almost no quakes in over 25 years, and now it has over 100. That is what horizontal fracking does.